The next report is New Distributors. This is a report that you can customize to see all the newest distributors in your downline. You can choose the date that the individual was enrolled and the date that you'd like to end having the enrollment show for. You can sort by name, level, enrollment date, leg, or as we're going to be doing in this report, distributor ID. Again, you can choose whether you would like to have the report ascending or descending. Once you've chosen all the options, run the report through, you'll be able to see the distributor ID, the name of the individual, the leg that they have been enrolled on, the level that they are on, their telephone number, email address, and their enrollment dates. The next report over on the left-hand side is rank advancements. This is a great report to be able to see what level the new distributors you've enrolled have currently reached. The next report on the left-hand side is rank advancements. This report is great to be able to see which rank all of your distributors have achieved. You can choose which bonus period you'd like to see the ranks for, or you can specify so that you can customize to a certain start date and a certain end date. For this report, we'll do the bonus period of week 239, starting the 25th of July 2009. You can sort by distributor ID, name, leg, level, the old rank that they achieved, the new rank that they've achieved, and their advancement date. For this report, we'll run it through with the distributor ID. You can choose whether you'd like to have the report show ascending or descending. You can then process through the report and view the distributor ID of the distributor that has advanced, the name of the individual, the leg that they are enrolled on, the level that they've achieved, their old rank, their newest rank, and the date that they advanced ranks. By clicking on the report to the left-hand side that says Top 5 Rank Advancements, you're able to see the top 5 individuals in each rank throughout your downline. You can see the top 5 Ruby executives, the top 5 Star 1000s, top 5 Star 100s, and the top 5 stars, along with the top 5 distributors in your downline in this particular report. You're able to see each distributor ID, name on the account, whether or not they are active, whether or not they are qualified, what they are qualified with, the legs, and the consecutive weeks that they've obtained that particular rank. On the left-hand side, the next report shown is Personal Downline. This report is convenient to be able to see specific information about individuals in your downline. You can filter the search to show all levels in your downline. You can customize it to only show a certain amount of levels, or you can search for a particular ID, company name, first or last name in the report. You can also customize the report to show only your personally enrolled distributors, show only your distributors on auto ship, show only your distributors with a current order within the last 30 days, or finally to show only newly enrolled distributors. You can customize the report to show up to 25 results on each page, 50, 75, 100, or all the distributors. You can also sort the report by level, rank, distributor ID, leg, and name. For this particular report, we'll do all levels, we'll show up to 25 results on each page, and we'll sort by levels. After the report has finished processing, you're able to see here the distributor ID, the name on the account, whether or not the individual is on auto ship, whether or not they've had an order within the last 30 days, if they were enrolled within the last 30 days, the leg they've been enrolled on, their left leg, right leg, distributor, and their home telephone number. The next report over on the left-hand side is your PAIR report. This stands for Personally Enrolled Activity Report. This report allows you to view all the activity that's gone on by your personally enrolled distributors underneath you. You can specify which bonus period you'd like to review the report for, or you can enter in a specific distributor ID. Down below, you're able to see the distributor ID of all the individuals, the leg they've been enrolled on. By clicking on this person, their personal contact information, along with their distributor ID, company name, address, email address, and telephone number, the company name on the account, whether or not the individual is set up on auto ship, the volume that they are currently active with, the growth that you've seen go on in their accounts, how quickly their auto ship is growing, and their highest downline rank. This is convenient for distributors building the business that are wanting to see exactly what their downline distributors are growing at and the rank that they are growing at. The next report over on the left-hand side is a customer report. This customer list allows you to see all of your retail and preferred customers on your account. You can see their distributor ID or their retail or preferred customer ID, along with their name, the date that they've signed up, the number of orders that they've had, and by clicking on the individual over on the right-hand side, their information, including their distributor ID, name, address, email, and telephone number. The final report in the virtual office is My Snapshot. You can choose which business center ID you'd like to run it for, the bonus period you'd like to run it for, or you can enter in a specific date that you'd like to run the report for. After you've chosen that information, go ahead and run the report through. This report is one of the most convenient reports to you as a distributor. You can see exactly what action has gone on in your account within the last couple of weeks, and you can see what you've been paid out as. Let's review this report just a little bit. You can see that for week 236, that was for July 4th, 2009 to July 10th, 2009, this particular individual had achieved the rank of a star 500. They were projected to be paid as a distributor. Their last paid as rank was actually a distributor as well. No, the individual was not active during week 236, and no, they were not qualified. From the week before, 13 points had carried over from the left-hand side, and 351 points had carried over from the right. They had 0 star 500 legs. Throughout this week, the left leg volume for the team was at 0 points. The team volume for the right side was at 0 points. Retail sales volume was at 0. Retail sales volume for the right was at 0. The total volume on the left for that week is still at 0, and the total volume for the right throughout the week of 236 is at 0. This is a summary of the next pay period. You can see that 13 points was carried over on the left side, 351 points were carried over from the right. Because there was nothing earned throughout the week, the total volume was at 13 points for the left side, the right side was 351. There was no commission paid out, no first order bonus, 0 paid on the Star Maker pool, nothing paid on the executive check match. You can see for this particular pay period, week 236, there were no commissions, first order bonus, Star Maker pools, executive check match, elite executives, reversals, or totals paid out for this particular individual. If you scroll to the top, you can continue on and view for week 237, 238, or 239. Again, this report is one that can be customized to show whichever week you would like to. Now that we've reviewed the downline reports in your virtual office, this will allow you to help to be the best possible upline for your downline distributors. To get back to the home page, simply scroll up to the top of the page and click on the Home button.